Video tutorial. I'm going to address how to set Android SDK. Yeah. If we look here, it's an exclamation mark. Yeah. Means Android SDK. It's yet we set. Just straight up. We open the Android Studio. Okay. Next, select More Action. Then select SDK Manager. Then I select SDK Tools. Then we're gonna check this Android SDK. It says not install, meaning it's not already installed. We will install the Android SDK. Then we try to apply. Click OK. We wait for the process to finish. For download. Okay, now it's working. Yeah. Written done. Then we just finish. Then apply. Then we click OK. Well, next let's check in. Command prompt typing Flutter Doctor. Enter. We wait for the process to finish. Well, next it pops up like this. Still an exclamation mark. We have to install Android license. We just copy this. We block like this. We Control C. Then we moved here. Enter. We wait for the process to finish. Popping up like this. We choose Y. Y enter. And choose Y enters. Y enter. Y enter. Y enter. Y enter. All SDK package license accepted. All packages are accepted. Let's check Flutter Doctor. We wait. Well, now it's working. Means it's Android SDK already we set. We have successfully installed. I hope this video was helpful. Thank you.